Welcome to the ultimate guide to safe and enjoyable camping. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or just looking to spend some time in nature, camping is a perfect way to unwind, disconnect, and recharge. However, camping also requires preparation, equipment, and techniques to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about planning for a camping trip, essential gear, cooking, choosing a campsite, staying safe, and making the most of your adventure. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Planning your trip. The first step in preparing for a camping trip is planning. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer excursion, having a well-planned trip will make for a more enjoyable experience. Consider the following. Destination. Choose a destination that suits your preferences and level of experience. National parks and state parks are excellent options with a range of facilities and scenery. Timing. Consider the time of year and forecasted weather. Research the area's temperature, precipitation, and other factors that may affect your trip's success. Group size. Determine the number of people in your group, their ages, and their abilities. This information will help you decide on the type of equipment and activities you can accommodate. Essential camping gear. Having the right camping gear is essential for a safe and enjoyable trip. Here are some must-haves. Tent. Choose a tent that suits your group size, location, and climate. Make sure it's waterproof and sturdy. Sleeping bag and pad. Invest in a high-quality sleeping bag and camping pad to keep you warm, comfortable, and well-rested. Cookware and utensils. Don't forget pots, frying pans, and utensils like knives, spatulas, and tongs. A portable stove or a fire pit will enable you to cook your meals. Cooking and food. Cooking and food are an important part of the camping experience. Here's what you need to know. Plan your meals. Plan ahead of time and pack non-perishable food items. Preparing food in advance can make cooking at the campsite easy and stress-free. Water supply. Make sure to bring enough water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Fire safety. Follow campsite rules regarding fire safety. Use designated fire pits if available and always have a bucket of water or a fire extinguisher nearby. Choosing a campsite. Choosing the right campsite is essential for a safe and enjoyable trip. Here are some things to keep in mind. Amenities. Check the campsite's amenities, such as showers, toilets, and water sources. If you need to recharge electronic devices, make sure to choose a campsite with electrical hookups. Site type. Choose a site that suits your preferences, whether it's a tent site, an RV site, or a cabin. Location. Select a location that offers natural beauty and your preferred activities, such as hiking, fishing, or swimming. Staying safe in the wilderness. Safety should be your top priority while camping. Follow these tips. Wildlife safety. Be aware of the local wildlife and their habits. Keep food stored safely and dispose of the trash correctly. First aid kit. Have a well-stocked first aid kit with items such as bandages, antiseptic, and insect repellent. Weather. Keep an eye on the forecast and prepare for changing weather conditions. Making the most of your camping trip. Camping offers a great opportunity to relax and enjoy nature. Here are some tips to make the most out of your trip. Set a schedule. Create a schedule of activities and relaxation time. It will help you make the most out of your time spent outdoors. Disconnect. Unplug and enjoy nature's quietness without distractions from the electronic world. Have fun. Don't forget to have fun, whether it's taking a swim, playing games, or hiking. Packing up and taking care of the environment. Leaving no trace when camping is crucial to preserve nature for future generations. Here are some things to remember. Cleaning. Leave the campsite cleaner than you found it. Use eco-friendly soaps and cleaning supplies to minimize environmental damage. Pack out waste. Don't forget to pack out all trash, including food scraps and litter. Respect nature. Respect other campers and wildlife. Never disturb wildlife, and always follow the posted rules. Congrats! You made it to the end of our ultimate guide to safe and enjoyable camping. We hope you have enjoyed learning all about camping, from planning your trip, choosing your gear, cooking your meals, selecting a campsite, staying safe, and making the most of your trip. Now it's up to you to plan the perfect trip for you and your friends or family. We hope that you will take this guide with you and use it as a reference to make your next camping adventure a safe and memorable one. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to be updated with more exciting outdoor activities and instructional videos that will keep you exploring nature in the best way possible.